Hi, I'm Mike Regan with TranzAct's 2-minute warning for the week of August 5th. In this 2-minute warning, we want to look at some developments with respect to the new hours of service rules that went into effect July 1st, and we also want to briefly highlight some proposed legislation, because if this legislation passed, it would result in higher costs for trucking companies. And when we see that, we get concerned that these higher costs would be passed along to shippers in the form of higher rates. With respect to the new hours of service rules, a couple of weeks ago, a court upheld the new rules that went into effect July 1st. And this is significant because while it hasn't had the draconian or drastic impact that some had predicted, make no mistake about it, these new hours of service rules will have an impact on how freight moves in this country. Let me give you an example. There was an article in a supply chain publication which highlighted the fact that how shippers move carriers into and out of their facilities is going to make a big difference on what freight the carriers choose to accept. It also noted that some carriers may turn down loads if that load causes them to stop after 1 a.m. And the reason this is significant is because of the 2 consecutive 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. rest periods. But what this article really highlighted was that it's going to be critically important for shippers to be carrier friendly. And that's why we want to encourage you to go to our TranzAct.com website and download how you can become a carrier friendly shipper. This publication's been read by over 1,000 people, and we've gotten some great comments and reviews. So go to TranzAct.com and download the carrier-friendly white paper. Now, with respect to the legislation that was recently proposed, a representative out of Pennsylvania proposed that the insurance level for injury and property damage be increased by 500%. That's right, from $750,000 to over $4.4 million. Now, if that legislation were to pass, it would result in sharply higher insurance premiums. And once again, that's why you need to be paying attention to what they're doing in Washington. Now, with each and every 2-minute warning, we're here to remind you, we are on your team and we're here to help. So if you want more information about how you can become a carrier-friendly shipper and how you can proactively manage through these new hours of service rules, go to transact.com. Thanks for your time.